Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, what I want to share with you I'm going to explain what crypto trading is. And not only that, I'm going to explain the 3 ways how you can make crypto trading work. So let's dive into it. Crypto trading is such an exciting topic, I think, because it's kind of, a bit, how does it make you feel? When I say crypto trading, what do you think? Some people will think, oh, it's scary, right? Trading, what is that? But really, all trading is that you buy and sell a bit more than you do with investing. Investing, we usually say, look, you need to be ready to be in for months to years. But with trading, on the other hand, we want to be in for maybe days to weeks instead. You can go shorter time frame, but that's where I would start. So you can write this down, the term swing trading, which you can Google. Swing trading means we just trade the biggest swings in the market. So usually on average, we're in a position for 34 days with stocks, roughly 10 days with cryptos. So you have plenty of time. It can easily be done in 20 minutes a day. And then of course, the more time you want to spend, the lower time frame you want to go. And you might be familiar with stocks trading, right? Let me just go back one step. In order for us to trade, we need to use something called volatility. Now it's a posh term, right? So volatility, all that means is that it's going up and down. Up and down, up and down. That's all volatility really means, okay? In order for us to make money trading, it needs to go up and down a lot. The more, the better. And therefore, crypto trading is a lot more exciting than even Forex and even stocks. Because stocks is awesome. We love stocks. I've been making 4.53% for the last, since 2017, frankly. So 6 years now. And that's over 50-60% a year. But with cryptos, we're making a lot more than that. Why? Because it moves more. Patterns are similar, but it moves more. Right? How fun is it to watch the entire market? You see the headlines. Ooh, the Nasdaq, the 100 biggest tech companies, down 2% today. 2%, the crypto market will fall and go up tens of percent, hundreds of percent in a couple of months or even weeks sometimes. So that's what we really use, but the patterns are the same. It just moves quicker. So that's really the definition of what trading is. And crypto trading means that it moves a lot more, which we love, by the way. That's what crypto trading is. But how can you make it work? Well, what most people do, there's 2 things that they do as a mistake. I'm going to explain 3 things you should be doing, but first let's dive into what you should not be doing. Number 1, leverage. Okay, so what people do in crypto, they go to a broker, they get 100 times leverage. What does that mean? It means if you have $1,000, you can all of a sudden trade with 100 times that. And people see, oh, I can trade with 100,000. You're taking a loan from your broker. And look, people are doing this for a lot more money than $1,000. So what happens is that they use the broker's money and they risk way too much. So in a matter of seconds, they lose all their money because if you think about it, if you have $1,000, but you trade as if though you had $1,000 or 100,000, how much does the market need to move for you to lose $1,000? That is right, 1%. And it will be the same. People, okay, I have $10,000, Dennis. I'm going to do 100 times leverage. So actually I have a million to invest with. Well, if the market moves 1%, my friend, you lose all your $10,000 and they close your account. That's called liquidation. Most people do this. So that's number 1. They use leverage. Number 2, they don't have a strategy. They don't have a clue what they're doing. They just hope for the best, right? Terrible strategy. So for that, you need a strategy. You need to know when to buy, how much to buy, exactly what risk you're taking, and only, write this down, only risk 1% on all of your trades. If you have 10,000, I wouldn't risk more than $100. And then as you compound, it's going to grow more and more. That is called risk management, which we also are really big on here at Investment Mastery, all right? You need to know how much to buy, when to buy, how much risk, when to sell with a profit and when to sell with a loss. That's what a strategy is all about. So that's the strategy part. Make sure you have that written down and you follow it. Number 3, allocation. So the thing with allocation is that most people, they look at crypto and they put all their money in. They sell their house, they sell their camels, they sell their wives or husbands, and they put all money into cryptos. And that is ridiculous because cryptos is more risky than the other assets. That's the first thing. Secondly, do you have a plan, right? Do you ever go into a car and drive and have no destination in mind? And for most people, the answer is No. But when it comes to investing and trading specifically, most people say, yes, Dennis, that's exactly what I do. And that is the problem. You need to have education, my friend. If you want to be successful in cryptos, and especially with crypto trading, you need education. So make sure you do that before you start your journey with any trading and any investing. That's why I did wrong. That's why I ended up losing 70% of my account when I started, before I met the investment mastery in Marcus. That's how I ended up losing all of it. But then when I got these rules, I got the rules correct, I had the stop loss correct, I got the allocation correct, then I stopped doing the mistakes and I followed a proven plan that actually worked. And here's the last word. If you find someone that you trust and follow that teaches you a strategy, make sure the strategy has been tested, battle tested, at least for a year. The more history, the better. If they can't show you track record, don't use it. That's very important. Alright, so that's really it for this video. I hope you got some value from this video as well. And you understand a bit more what crypto trading is. And the platform you can use for it is Binance, it's Coinbase, the top ones in the world. So you don't need to use one of these shady ones. Use the biggest ones, very important as well. Security comes above all. So comment below. Are you trading in cryptos, and what strategy are you using currently? And if you do like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can learn even more. Like the video and also press that alarm bell in order to get those notifications on when we release the next super exciting video. And with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day, evening, depending on where you are in the world, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.